Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer XRP from Arculus Wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding XRP and want to move it to Gemini for trading, staking, or just better management, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this transfer like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device, a verified Gemini account, and some XRP in your Arculus wallet. Always double-check that your accounts are secure. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This is crucial in 2025's evolving crypto landscape to protect against any potential risks. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and log in with your credentials. Navigate to your XRP holdings by selecting the wallet dashboard. You'll see your XRP balance. Take a moment to note how much you're transferring. Step 2. In the Arculus app, find the Send or Transfer option for XRP. Enter the amount you want to send, but before you proceed, you'll need the Gemini wallet address. Head over to your Gemini account on their website or app, go to the deposit section, and select XRP. Copy the unique deposit address provided. It should start with a R followed by numbers and letters. Step 3. Back in Arculus, paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any lost funds. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Add any required network fees, which in 2025 might be minimal due to improved blockchain tech, and review the transaction details. Step 4. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it with your wallet's security features, like biometric verification. The transaction should process quickly, often in minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and check your account balance. Your XRP should appear shortly. If you run into issues, like delays, ensure you're on the correct network, probably XRP Ledger, and contact support if needed. There you have it, folks. You've successfully transferred XRP from Arculus to Gemini. Remember, staying informed about crypto updates in 2025 is key, so subscribe for more tips. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.